Hey students, it's Miss Duke again. Hopefully I'll be back with you by the end of the week, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I hope you had a wonderful first week and everything went well, and I look forward to being back with you real soon. Today you guys are going to learn about the continents and oceans. Now this is something that you all should already be very familiar with. The continents and oceans are how the world is divided. We're divided in different land divisions, and the world is divided by different bodies of water. Today, you're going to focus on locating those bodies of water. Guys, we live in North America. Here is North America. North America is made up of Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Down below us, we have South America. Africa is across the Atlantic Ocean from the United States, as well as Europe. Here is Europe. Europe and Asia share the same land area. Sometimes it's referred to as Eurasia. So Europe and Asia. We have Australia, which we refer to as the land down under, because it's located down under all the other continents. And then the last of our 7 continents is Antarctica. No one can live in Antarctica because it's so cold. So guys, listen. You watched a movie, War Horse, on Friday. And War Horse is a movie that was made to depict what it was like during World War I. Now, much of the fighting in World War I took place in Europe. So this continent we're specifically going to start talking about this week, just this continent. But I wanted you to see where it is located in the world as relation to where we live in the United States, right over here. So there's a song that I teach the kids, and there's also one attached, and I'm going to sing it for you now. Mr. Anderson can sing much better than I, but here we go. Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, too. Again, Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, too. Those are our 7 continents. Now, from our 7 continents, we're going to learn our oceans. Here is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is on California's side of the United States, where people go catch the really big waves. The Atlantic Ocean is on Atlanta's side of the United States. The Southern Ocean is located down in the south, right up above Antarctica. The Arctic Ocean is located in the northern part, very, very cold. And then the Indian Ocean is located right here. This is the country of India, which is in Asia, and it sticks out into the Indian Ocean. So, again, Asia, Antarctica, Africa, Australia, North America, South America, Europe, too. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Now again, later on this week, we're going to zoom in on just the continent of Europe and specifically look at it. Guys, today, take your time, try your very best and very neatly to label the 7 continents and the 5 oceans. You're going to color those. If you don't have supplies, Mr. Anderson will provide those for you. Please do a neat job, as we will have a quiz over this soon. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Remember, we're respectful, we're responsible, we're reliable. We are the rebels.